Alright guys, so we did this back about 6 months ago, 2009 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. We did true duals, high flow cats, X pipe, and straight pipe all the way back into 6-inch tips. Well, he couldn't take the noise no more. He said it's too loud. So this is what we did on it. There's the high flow cats there and there. Then it's got the X pipe still on it right there. Then we put on a MAGNAFLOW, part number 12469, dual in, dual out, right there. 22-inch body, or actually 24-inch overall, 18-inch body, right there. There'll be a link in the description for it for you guys. Still has the original tailpipes into 6-inch massive black tips. There and there, as you guys can see. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. There's the 2 pieces of pipe that were on it that we cut off. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Like always guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. Silverado 1500.